Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both Excel and Word are installed and up to date. This avoids format mismatches. Next, open the Excel workbook you need and the Word document you'll merge into, because working side by side saves time. Once done, decide which app will hold primary content, use Excel for tables and calculations, Word for written reports, and save both files to the same folder so links and paste options behave predictably. Copy the exact Excel range you want, then switch to Word and choose Paste Special. This is where you control behavior. If you need live updates, pick Paste Link, because Word will reflect Excel changes automatically. If you require a fixed snapshot, use Paste Values or Embed as an object via Insert Object. Make sure column widths and fonts match, and adjust the embedded object size so the table remains readable without breaking page layout. When finishing, update links and proof the merged document. Right-click linked objects to update link or edit in Excel because small changes can cascade. Then check pagination, headers, and references so the report reads cleanly. If formatting shifts, try repasting with a different paste special option or tweak table styles. And if links break, save both files to local storage and relink from Word. That step usually resolves path and access issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.